Hi, my name is Liudas Butkus, and in this episode of What to Hodl, I'm going to review Black Moon Crypto. What is Black Moon Crypto about? Well, they want to create a platform for launching tokenized funds. What is a tokenized fund, you might ask? Well, one that comes to mind is the token fund, which is a fund of cryptocurrencies. So you can buy their cryptocurrency, their token, and you will be getting like a share in the fund, and the fund then diversifies the funds that come in from the investors into buying all these cryptocurrencies. So by buying the fund, you're actually buying all these cryptocurrencies and you're getting all these returns. So this is how it works, but Black Moon Crypto isn't focusing on just building a platform for launching tokenized funds that are using cryptocurrencies. They also want to create fiat funds that invest in real life assets. So that's the basic idea of what they are planning to do. Their ICO recently finished and they raised $30 million, which was their hard cap. They were not planning to raise as much as possible. They knew how much money they need for their plans and they achieved it. They are already on several exchanges. We'll go through that in a little bit. I really like their website and all their videos. They look super professional. And the crowdfunding is quite interesting. They will also have a option for you to like refund your money back. The price of the token was $1.10. It started with $1 and then raised it a little bit. There was also a pre-sale, and here's the distribution of tokens. So 50% goes to the public, 30 company reserves, 20 team and advisors. So here's a quick scheme of how the tokenized fund will look like. For example, there's a fund, it gets the money, it releases the tokens, and Black Moon Crypto gets a fee from all these funds that have been launched. So this is where they get their revenues. List of expected funds. There's several ICO and cryptocurrency fund, low risk fixed fiat income, ICO cryptocurrency fund, classical financial market indexing fund, high return in crypto assets, low risk in crypto assets. So these are several examples of what funds they are expecting, and maybe they have already planned out to be launched in their platform. So there's 16 of them. The leadership team is quite solid. They have, well, what I needed to say is that Black Moon is an already established company. They specialize in peer-to-peer funds and peer-to-peer loans, and that's what they do. They have obviously founders from there, and a few of their founders is a venture capital firm co-founder of Flint Capital. Also, this one is a co-founder of Wiki.com, which is a huge social media site. A CTO for 8 years at Nanosematics, leading AI for speech recognition. So a solid leadership team, and they also have a company behind them. And there's plenty of advisors, and there's interviews that you can watch, and they also have a list of partners. Some of them is a cryptocurrency, and some other firms. And let's take a quick look at the roadmap. So they are around since 2014. Black Moon Financial Group is founded. First alternative debt fund is incorporated to make fixed income investments. First loans are processed by the Black Moon Lending Marketplace platform. Black Moon raises 2.5 million in equity capital from international venture funds. Team is expanded to 16 FTA, 8 lenders among 7 countries with 17 investors on the marketplace had made 40 million in aggregate deals volume. Version 2.0 of the Black Moon Lending Marketplace platform is unveiled. Black Moon processes its first US-based loans and reaches 30 million in monthly volume. So they issue loans for 30 million in a month. So that's a huge achievement. Development of Black Moon Crypto is initiated. Distribution of Black Moon Crypto platform tokens. Token distribution of the first fund. High yield fixed fiat income. So they are expecting their first fund to be launched in January 2018, so not too far from now. On March, token distribution of the second fund, low risk fixed fiat income, application for a license in the European Union. They are very interested in being very legal. They want to have everything in place so no regulations can get them caught off guard and to disrupt their business. They want to be ahead of the regulations, and they will be starting with European Union, then application for a license in the US, broker-dealer license in the US, start of token sale in the US, which is January 2019. And which I missed is received a fund managing and broker-dealer license to work with unaccredited fiat investors. Publications, there's plenty of these on very popular websites. This had a lot of press, which is a very good thing. As you can see, there's plenty of articles and you can read about it. And then there's the FAQ. So now let's go to CoinMarketCap because the ICO has already finished and the crypto is already launched. Now the direct competitor of Black Moon Crypto is Economy, which is around here. Yes, right here. Economy has a market cap of 130 million. Not that long ago it was much higher. They have launched in September 2016 and they are still basically in beta. They had a huge spikes in price, and you can see the market cap was around $400 million. So they were quite big, but they are still in beta testing phase, but they already starting to launch their product. So this is their direct competitor. Now right now Black Moon, if we look at, is at rank 148 and it has a market cap of 20 million, which is actually lower than what they raised in their ICO, which is quite strange to me. Why would people invest in it and then sell it off for cheaper than what they bought? Let's take a look at the price. It started in the exchanges with 86 cents, then went to 91, and it is now at a very low place of 67 cents, though the ICO price, as I mentioned, was $1 and up to $1.15. So this is quite strange, but well, we will see the development in 2018 January when they launch their first fund. Then the price should pick up. And as I showed you, the potential that I see for Black Moon Crypto is not something like being the next Ethereum and having a valuation of multiple $1 billion. It might reach $1 billion, it might reach $2 billion, but it won't be super massive because it is not that disrupting of a technology like Bitcoin, which can disrupt the currency markets, or Ethereum, which can create decentralized apps and be a whole marketplace. And Black Moon Crypto is targeting a more niche project, a more niche area for just creating tokenized funds, but there might be some development in the future. But overall, I don't see it very groundbreaking, but still the potential is there. If it grows as big as economy, that's at least 5-6 times right now, or if it grows as big as economy was at its peak at 400 million, that's like 20 times or something, or even more. Yeah, I think that's 20 times that the price of it right now, and it might even go even bigger in several years. So that's the potential of this crypto. If you are interested, then I'm guessing it's a pretty good time to get in, because the price is better than what you could have gotten in the ICO. I will be keeping an eye on this and looking, is it going to go any lower? This is actually a very promising project. The key points for me is that it has a company behind it, a company that's making money, and people behind it that have made businesses and they know what they are doing. So this is quite good in my opinion, and the idea is also quite proven because there are competitors in this niche, and they are not just saying we will make this unicorn and excuse me, and nobody else has even tried to do that, and then they flop. So it's a proven business model. They have a team that knows what they're doing. They have a business backing that up, and they have raised a nice sum of capital. So right now that would be a really good time to get in. Maybe it will still get a little lower. Not too sure if there was a bounty campaign, and maybe people who participated in that bounty campaign are now dumping the tokens. That's why most of the ICOs tend to happen, that their token price goes down, is because of the bounties, though maybe there was some other reason. But overall, this is it for this review. Hope it was helpful, hope it was insightful, and it will help you make up your mind about this project. So this is it. Hope you liked it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.